Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Nirul Pereira. If you're new to this channel, my name is Nirul Pereira and I'm software engineering undergraduate of Java Institute. And it's been like 5 or 6 months since I started learning programming. And from my view about programming and coding is, I think it's actually pretty cool and everyone should know how to code. They should know how to code and think. And programming and coding help me how to think logically. So I have a big improvement in myself, as I can see, a very big improvement from the first day I started learning coding. So I thought I should share the stuff that I'm learning day by day, hour by hour, second by second. I should share this stuff with the world. So I thought of starting my own YouTube channel with my own name, and I share stuff regarding the software engineering field with the world through this channel. So if you are interested in software engineering, this is the channel for you. So you can hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon for me, so you'll be notified by the latest content of this channel. So in these days I am currently uploading videos to YouTube, which are basically based on all the topics: web programming and database management systems. So I go from the basic concepts of web programming and database management systems to the most complex peaks of the relevant topics. So I discuss concepts of web programming and database management systems of the software engineering field through questions. So in the web programming section, I have web programming questions, and in the database management system section, I have database management system questions. So I discuss the whole concept of these topics through questions one by one, from the basics to the complex questions. So today's video I am going to discuss question number 27 of the web programming video series. So let's go check out what we have today. Okay, this is the last part of the question that we discussed in question number 24 and onwards. So 25, 24, 25, 26, and this is the 27th video discussion. So in this video I am going to discuss how I'm going to design a table, how I design a table where you have the name of the product, the category which the product belongs, and the brand of the product, and the model which the product belongs to. And also plus I explained in a video how I uploaded an image of the relevant product. So in this video what happens is, once I click on the image of the product, all the details of the relevant product is uploaded, is displayed on the registration grid. That means we have the same interface, but here we have an image. As you can see, like this, we have the image, and all the details of the relevant image are filled onto the relevant fields. And you can also update the relevant fields, and also you can go back whenever you want. So let's check out how I did that. So I'll click on view answer, and here I'm not going to talk about these things because I talked them way too much in 24 and 25 videos. So I got a lot of comments from my friends to lower the content of the video and not to repeat the same thing. So in this video I am going to review how I am going to view the products. And once I click on view products, I did this explanation in one of the previous videos, maybe 25 or 26. So once I get this table, what happens is, in this video I am going to show you when you click on the image. Just I am going to select a random image. I'll just select this one. So once you click on this one, you will be transferred onto the page where you get the image of the relevant product and all the fields of the relevant products details, that means the product name, this is a Leopard laptop and it belongs to the category laptops, and the brand of it is MSI, this is an MSI laptop, and you have the model which says 10th generation and you have 8 of those and the price is 375,000 rupees. So, and as we can see, there's a special feature here. Here, when you click on these input fields, these are input fields, you can't change the value which is inside this, and also this update button is also disabled. So this is a very special feature which I used using coding. So we have this back button active, but I haven't just used an anchor tag. That means I haven't just transferred it into the previous page. What I have done is, once you click on this back button, the previous page of the browser, now the browser comes under various pages. Now it transfers from one page to the other page. So once you click on back, it accesses the browser history and goes to the previous page that I was. So once I click on back, you get this page. This page was the previous page that I viewed using this browser. So that's what happens. Now once I click on this product, all the details of this product is displayed. So once I click on back, we again displayed onto this page. So once you click on this product, you get all the details of this product. So this is what happens in this video. So I'll quickly show you the code how this happens. As I explained in the previous video, how I got the table content onto this index_q2 page. In this I have the table, and here the products are entered here using Ajax and in HTML. I'll show you the script.js file. As this is linked to the script.js file, I'll show you the script.js file. And here, as you can see, the view products function. Here I have inner HTML the content which is coming from product_view. I have explained this part of the video in one of the previous videos. I have explained this part in much detail in that video, maybe in 25 or 26. And what I have done additionally is, once you are displaying the image, displaying the image of the relevant product in the table. Now this is the table row of the relevant product. We are looping all the details of all the products. So this is the skeleton I have, and this skeleton, the details are replaced by each and every product. So the image of the relevant product has that image inside an anchor tag. As you can see, this is the image. This is the image file, and the source of this image, where the image is located, it is located in my product image file. So this part is in the database, so I have transferred it here. And the special thing about this is, I have used an anchor tag, and for the reference page I have used this details_check.php file. That is this page, as you can see. So once I click on a product, you are transferred to details_check.php, and also you have this comma ID = 9 button. 9, you have this text. Additionally to the page name, you have this text. So let's check out what that is. So in addition to the page name, I have given this question mark ID equal this thing. I have written some PHP here. So this PHP in this, as you can see, this is the get method. I am transferring data using the URL. I'm transferring this data using the URL, otherwise you will get some error messages in the page. So what I did to omit that error is transferring those details to the URL. So when I'm transferring those data to the URL, what I did was I gave an ID. I gave an ID which gives you the product ID, the product ID of the relevant product. In this column we have the product ID, and that ID is also transferred along with the relevant page which you are supposed to go once you click on the image. Now once you click on that image in the table, you are transferred to this page along with the ID of the relevant product. So once you reach the page, you have details underscore check page. At the beginning of the page, this ID is checked. When you arrive in this page, this ID is checked, and the product is manually searched here from the database which product has the relevant ID, and all the details are taken to this page through that ID. And I have used the usual classical database connection, and I have searched all the products, and here as you can see, the values that I have entered are the exact values which I obtained from the database. The relevant field is filled from the relevant database. Now here the brand, the table which says brand name, has the value of the brand name of the relevant product which is obtained from the database. So, but there is still the probability of changing the value manually by a user. So what I did was, I called upon a function called disable. You have it in script2.js. Once I open script2.js, you have function disable. This is the disable function. So I have taken all the input fields and I have disabled them, and also the button, the update button, I have disabled that one also. So you won't get the chance to click on that button. So what you do is, you get the element and you connect this part. So disabled equal true. So once you give false here, it won't be disabled. If you put true here, that means the value of the disability should be true in order to disable the relevant element. And what I did to call this black button, that means to access the previous page of the browser history, what I did was I called upon this function. This is a principal function. You have the window.history.back brackets semicolon. So once you access this function, what happens is it searches for the previous page that the user was before coming to the present page. So this is the coding, this is the JavaScript coding, and I have the PHP coding in the relevant pages. So this is the coding part behind this video. So this is the ending of the video 27 discussion. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. That means question number 28. So see you guys then. Bye guys.